Conversion of LLP into a private limited company. The LLP form of business is a new kind of legal entity compared to a company form of organization. Before the year 2009, there was no LLP in existence as the LLP was enacted in the year 2009. Thus, there was no questions of the conversion of an LLP in a company. Globalization was rising at a high pace, and several entrepreneurs felt the need for a corporate form recognized across the globe. This has led to a demand for the conversion of existing LLP in a company. Assessing the need of our Ministry of Corporate Affairs has issued a notification on 31st May 2016 and it allowed conversion of LLP into company. These rules are called the Companies Authorized to Register Amendment Rules 2016. Further, Section 366 of the Companies Act 2013 provides for the conversion of LLP into a company. Benefits of conversion from LLP to private limited company. 1. Closure of one form of business and constitution of a separate entity is not required. Existing LLP is replaced as a private limited company. 2. Title or ownership of all the properties of the LLP vests in the newly converted company without any need for a separate conveyance. 3. In most of the registration and licenses, amendment is to be done because it is just switching the one form of business with another. The fact of conversion will be mentioned in the certificate of incorporation of the company. 4. No capital gain tax is involved. The systematic approach of LLP conversion to a company. The conversion of LLP into a private limited company is possible only when the LLP has filed all its statutory returns and that there is no non-compliance of the LLP Act, Indian Stamp Act, Income Tax Act, etc. Following is the key activities which have to be performed before the LLP conversion to the company begins. Number 1. Due diligence of the LLP. This is the most critical step which has to be done prior to any activity to convert LLP into a company. The scope of due diligence should be ascertained whether the LLP conversion will succeed or fail. As already mentioned, any default with ROC filing or under the Stamp Act shall lead to summary rejection of the application of LLP conversion. Number 2. Newspaper publication. Newspaper publication of the intention to convert an LLP into a private limited company is a statutory notice to the ROC, creditors, other stakeholders and the public at large to raise an objection to such conversion along with the grounds of the objection of the conversion of the LLP. Number 3. Prepare statement of account of the LLP to be attested by the auditor of the LLP or where there is no auditor by any practicing CA. The statement of account must be latest, should not be older than 15 days from the date on which the application for LLP conversion to private limited company is been filed in form URC1. Number 4. Certificate of compliance with the Stamp Act. You have to obtain a certificate from a practicing CA, CS or CMA that the LLP has complied with the applicable provisions of the Stamp Act. Number 5. A statement of legal proceedings. The LLP intending to convert as a company needs to prepare a statement of all the court cases, legal proceedings with any statutory authority with its status. For more detail, visit our website www.setindiabiz.com. Subscribe and click on the bell icon to get corporate updates from Set India Biz. Set India Biz. Business begins here.